And in the compressor, there are sensors who are or providing data. And they have a very good uptime, high reliability of 99.8%. But when it fails, it caused a downtime of 28 days, because then the compressor shut down, and then you have to do work preparation, get the team into, and so on. And it just happened. They could not predict it. It just happened that it shut down, the sensor failed, and even though they had expert opinions on how to maintain it, did inspections, it just happened. By using predictive analytics and analyzing and bringing different data sources together and data scientists and so on, they are now able to predict the failure 6 months in advance, and they can do or replace the sensor when they have a plant shutdown, and it only takes, so they reduced it to the plant shutdown of 10 days.